Hello and welcome to day 9 of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle immersion. I'm taking a brisk walk in the park because it's kind of damp and chilly today, but I just love the scenery. So nice to see wide open spaces. I don't know what we're going to eat today. I think we're going to have pizza this evening because it's Friday and just keep it casual. So I hope you enjoy what we do. Making pizza. We have these pre-made shells, which we're just going to put on some leftover tomato sauce from last night's dinner and some cheese. And I'm making a salad with white beans, arugula, some lemon juice, some olive oil, some salt, pepper, and oregano. And welcome to day 10 of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle immersion. It's Saturday today, and I don't normally eat breakfast during the week, maybe just something little once in a while, but on Saturday I like to make breakfast. So I'm going to make 2 eggs over easy with some toast. For lunch, I think we're going to make eggplant parmesan. And the way that we make it, we bake the eggplant instead of frying it, and it just is so much easier and comes out so much better and less greasy, and it's so good. So I can't wait to show you how to do that. And for dinner, I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. Because it's Saturday, we might make sandwiches or order in. I'm not sure yet, but we will see. So come along with me for the day. For lunch, we're making eggplant parmesan. So this morning in preparation, we sliced up an eggplant, we dipped it in flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. And then we put them in the refrigerator for a while to just settle. So you can do this in advance and it saves you a lot of time. And I'll take a baking sheet and cover it in parchment paper. Got this at Whole Foods, but you can find parchment paper at any supermarket. And generously coat the parchment in olive oil, in regular olive oil, regular cooking olive oil. And give it a nice little brushing to spread it around. Because we're going to bake the eggplant, not fry it. This way it absorbs a lot less oil and just tastes better overall. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, but get them all in there. I have the oven set at 385. We're going to bake these for 20 minutes on the one side, then we're going to flip them over and bake them for another 20 minutes on the other side. Here they are out of the oven. They look delicious. And they're about to get even more delicious because we're going to bake them again with some tomato sauce. And now we're putting it in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it because it could be only 5 minutes. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. I love to have this for lunch. I have a couple of potatoes here and I'm cutting them like shoestrings, like shoestring fries. And I'm going to toss them in some olive oil, season them, and then bake them in the oven. So I put some olive oil on here, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some mixed Italian herbs. Make sure you spray this or you won't get them off. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. I think a lot of people are intimidated by eggplant. I know I used to be, because I see a lot of old-fashioned instructions about salting the eggplant and then putting it in a bowl and then putting something heavy on top of it and weighing it down so you squeeze out all of the water, and you don't have to do any of that. I don't know where that came from. I think that some people think that eggplant is bitter, but it's actually really mellow. And when you bake it the way that we did today, instead of frying it, it comes out really creamy and just super delicious and not greasy at all. So I hope you try my recipe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.